Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install language packs on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select time and language on the left panel here, and then select language and region on the right side. Underneath preferred language, select the blue add a language button, and then search for the language you are desiring to add to your computer in the top field. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and select it, and then the next button, and then select install, and give us a couple minutes to install. And once that is done, you can select underneath Windows Display Language at the top. If you click the drop-down, you can select the new language you just installed if you want to set that as a default language going forward. And you will need to sign out or restart your computer in order for the change to take effect. So I'm just going to go ahead and close out of here, and I'm going to restart my computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. If we went back into the settings window here, and went underneath time and language, language and region, you can see our display language has changed. And if you want to delete the old one, you can just go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to the old language and then just select remove. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.